Hey everyone, welcome to our discussion on scenario simulation, practical techniques for managing stereotyped behaviors. Today, we're going to talk about how to use scenario simulations to help children with autism cope with stereotyped behaviors, and share some practical methods and tips for parents to use in everyday life. 1. Understanding stereotyped behaviors. Stereotyped behaviors are common in children with autism, like repeating a certain action, sticking to a routine, or being particularly fixated on something. It's important to understand that these behaviors are often a way for children to comfort themselves in response to environmental stress. 2. The role of scenario. Simulation. Scenario simulation is a highly effective training method. By mimicking real-life situations, it helps children learn to cope with various changes and challenges. This method can reduce their reliance on stereotyped behaviors and enhance their adaptability. 3. Practical technique. 1. Simulate daily situations. At home, you can simulate daily situations like going to the supermarket, eating at a restaurant, or playing in the park. These simulated activities allow your child to learn how to handle changes in a safe environment. 4. Practical technique. 2. Role-playing. Role-playing is a fun and effective method. You can switch roles with your child, letting them play the parent while you act as the child. Through this process, they can learn how to behave in different situations and understand others' feelings and actions. 5. Practical technique. 3. Rehearse changes. Many children with autism are very sensitive to change. You can rehearse upcoming changes like moving houses, getting a new teacher, or adjusting to a new schedule. Simulating these changes in advance helps your child adapt better and reduces anxiety. This helps your child slowly adapt to different environments and changes. 7. Practical technique. 5. Timely feedback and encouragement. Giving timely feedback and encouragement during simulations is crucial. Let your child know what they did well and where they can improve. Positive feedback and encouragement boost their confidence in facing different scenarios. By using scenario simulations, we can help children with autism gradually adapt to various changes and challenges in everyday life. Simulating daily situations, role-playing, rehearsing changes, gradually increasing difficulty, and providing timely feedback and encouragement are effective techniques to reduce reliance on stereotyped behaviors and improve adaptability. Thanks for watching. I hope these methods are helpful for you. If you found today's content useful, please like, subscribe to our channel, and share it with other parents who might need this help. See you next time.